Hello guys, I'm Shaima. In this tutorial video, we are going to do this kitchen design with the fluted panel. Okay, so first things first, you can go to 2D view and add a column on this side to divide the partition. Okay, so you can go to floor plan. Down here, you will see square column. You can drag to this wall and adjust the size. Okay, on the right side here, you can adjust the size. So length, I will change it to 1200. And then the width, 240. This one you can adjust to your own preference. Okay, then you can connect it to this wall. Okay, and you can also adjust the length here. Okay, so this distance here, I will set it to 3350. Enter. This one also you can adjust to your own like. Okay, then you can go to 3D or walkthrough. So this column will divide the wall. Okay, and it will create a partition in the middle. Next, we are going to do the carcass. Alright, then you can go to customize and go to kitchen cabinet. We're using kitchen cabinet. Then I'm going to start with the base unit first. Okay, you can drag this base cabinet, the double door base cabinet, drag to the wall and adjust the width, the left side. Okay, the left side you can extend 900. Okay, then you can copy the carcass to the left. Right click, copy to the left, and then click confirm. Okay, then as you can see in this image, we have oven here. Okay, so you can drag second button, you can go to function cabinet. Then you can drag these two carcass, okay, either the microwave oven drawer or this infection cabinet floor. Okay, so this carcass already got installed oven and microwave like this one. The only difference is that this carcass got drawer at the bottom. You can drag this carcass or this carcass. Okay, up to you. Then we will create the refrigerator side. Okay, so first button you can go to special board. Second button you can go to finishing side panel. Then you can drag tall cabinet visible panel to the side. Okay, snap them together and you can adjust the depth. Okay, as you can see, the carcass depth is 550. So this panel also you must adjust the depth 550. Then you can adjust the height 2400. Then you will have extra gap 300 mm from the top panel to the ceiling. Later we will drop down the ceiling. Okay, then you can copy the panel out. Okay, select the panel, right click, copy to the left. Okay, then distance you can change 900. Okay, quantity 1 only, then click confirm. Right, so you will copy to the left and you will see extra gap. If you have extra gap like mine over here, I have 14 mm, you can just change it to 0 and okay, it will snap to the column. So this is our column lah. Alright, then for the top part you can go to wall cabinet. Okay, first button, wall cabinet. You can drag out double door cabinet. Okay, drag out double door cabinet, snap it on the panel. Then you can adjust the size. Okay, so here we have extra gap 114.1. You can adjust the width, the right side. Okay, you just plus the number you see on the wall here. So I will plus 114.1, enter. Then you can adjust the depth. Follow the panel depth, which is 550. And for the height, okay, so actually the height, we call it elevation. Elevation is the height from the floor. Okay, to move it up, you need to adjust the elevation. Okay, so elevation, I will make it around 1008. Okay, you can see it move up and align with the top panel here. Okay, if you want to adjust the height, you can adjust the height from the bottom. this one. Okay, maybe you can reduce a bit, make it 1550 or 500, up to you lah. Okay, then we continue with this side. This side also you can add wall cabinet. So I will drag a double door wall cabinet here. Okay, I will drag to the panel, and then same thing, you need to adjust the elevation. Okay, so elevation also I will change 1008. Okay, and this one actually you can adjust the thickness a bit, no need to follow the panel thickness. Okay, so here I will increase it to 450. Okay, something like this lah. And you can adjust the height as well. So for the height, I will adjust the the bottom part to 450 as well. So this is how it looks like. As you can see in the image here, okay, we have two wall unit, the upper part and the lower part with different depth. Okay, so we will do the upper part first. Okay, this one you can right click and copy to the right, distance 0, quantity 2, and then click confirm. It will copy out to Carcass like this lah. And then you can drag this one, the lower part I will use flip door. So second button you can go to flip door wall cabinet. Okay, I will drag out the single door, but before that, okay, you can select the panel and see the gap, okay, between the panel and the wall. So here the gap is 2400. Based on the image, we only have 3 carcass on the lower part. Okay, so you can divide 2400 divided by 3 will be 800. Okay, so when you drag out, snap to the panel, this one you can adjust the elevation 1008, 1006. Okay, so you need to adjust manually lah. Elevation is 1007, and then the depth, this one I will change to 350, and then you can adjust the width. Okay, remember 2004 divided by 3 is 800. So here we will change 800. Then you can copy to the right. Right click, copy, okay, to the right, quantity 2, and then click confirm. So it will copy out like this lah. You can adjust the height as well if you want. Alright, so this is how it looks like. Now we are going to do this carcass. Okay, the front part here we have this carcass. So we will rotate the camera facing here. Alright, you can drag one tall unit here. So first button you can go to tall cabinet. Okay, you can drag either double door or triple door here. Okay, and you can also change the handle position. This one open right. Second option, this one door will open left. Okay, so you drag it out and snap it to the wall. You can drag to this wall first, so it will auto rotate like this. See, if you drag to the left side wall, the door will rotate the other way. So you rotate to this horizontal wall. Okay, and then you can drag it slowly to the kitchen. Drag it forward. Okay, and then this one you can snap it to 0. Okay, snap it to 0, so it will snap to the wall. Then you can continue adjust the position lah. Okay, adjust the position, or you can rotate it manually. Just press Z button, select the carcass, you will see this curved arrow, then you can rotate manually. Okay, you can also drag it forward, and align with the wall. Okay, then you can adjust the height. So this carcass, I will adjust the height to 2500. Okay, adjust the top 2500, and we will have extra 200 gap on the top. Okay, so later we will drop down the ceiling. Then you can add another carcass on the right side. This one I will drag base unit. Okay, so first button you can go to base cabinet. Actually you can drag other base units such as drawer unit. Okay, we also have open unit. Okay, you can drag out any carcass from here lah. But I will be using the basic one, which is the double door unit. Okay, this one I drag to the side. This one I will adjust the width, the right side 900. Okay, just extend 900 and then you can add one more carcass to the right side. Okay, so I will add single door unit to the right side and adjust the width. Okay, width I will extend 50 mm, so it will be 450 and okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, then you can install the countertop. Okay, so before we install countertop in AiHouse, the rule is you must install the hardware first, which is the stove and the sink. Okay, so you can right click on this carcass and go to appliances and hardware, install stove. Okay, stove installation. Then you can select any stove model from here. Just double click and it will auto apply on the carcass. Then you will see this hood installation. So you can select, okay, I will go with T type. You can select any model, just double click and it will auto apply on the top carcass. But this one you need to adjust the size manually. Okay, so you select the hood. Usually I will adjust the height first. So we'll adjust the height, reduce it to 600 mm. And then to move it up, you need to adjust down here, the movement button. LR means move left, right. FB, move forward, backward. UD, move up and down. So in this case, we need to move it upward. Okay, so upward, you must put positive number. Downward, you must put negative number. Okay, so I need to move it up. So here you put any positive number, let's say 100. Okay, so you move up. But if you put negative sign, it will go downward. Okay, so that's how you move it. Then you can keep on move it until it reach the bottom carcass. Okay, if you still see it's overlapping, then you adjust the height a bit lah. Maybe 80 mm, 60 mm. Make sure it's below the carcass. Then you can adjust the width, the left and right side. So right side, maybe I reduce it to 900 and okay, you can see lah. Then I will increase a bit, 920, 950. Okay, something like this. Then on the left side, you must reduce lah. Left side, okay, let's say I reduce 100, so I am minus 100. Okay, minus 50. Enter. Then you can adjust the depth, okay, the thickness. So here I will change it 350. Enter. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so it fits just nice below the wall unit. Right? Then you can install the sink in the middle carcass here. You can right click, go to appliances and hardware, install sink. So here I will use metal double basin. And you can select any model from here, just double click. And you can apply the tap and water purifier. Just select the model, any model, just double click. And then water purifier, also same thing, just select any model and double click. Okay, then you can close the product placement. You can see it auto applied on the sink lah. Okay, the water tap and water purifier. Done for the installation. Then you can install the countertop. Go to this install button. You see the plus sign on top. Then you go to countertop installation. Okay, it will highlight all the top surface like this. Then you can change the section and materials. There's 4 boxes inside. So the first box is for the front profile. You can select. Usually I would choose the rectangle shape. Okay, like this one, TM11. Okay, I'll be using this one. Just double click. Then the second box, this one is for the backsplash. Okay, so you can adjust the height. Okay, so here I will make it around 700. Okay, and then you can choose the countertop material. You can go to stone category. Okay, so we have 5 slab, marble, terrazzo, quartz stone, and other. So you can choose any color you want. Let's say this one. Then whole section also you can choose. This is actually the cutting profile along the sink area. Okay, this one is not compulsory. If you don't want, also you don't have to select, and then you just click generate. Okay, but before that you can adjust the countertop thickness first. Okay, so this is the countertop thickness. Okay, 30 mm. Front profile also I will change it to 30 mm. Then click generate. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, you can select the countertop and adjust the backsplash. Okay, adjust the backsplash height. But unfortunately, you cannot delete the left and right side. If you delete, it will remove the whole thing. Okay, so for those who wants to install backsplash on the back area only, not on the left and right side, okay, you can select the countertop and remove the backsplash. This one you can just delete. Then click confirm. Just delete. Okay, same thing with this one. You can select and then delete the backsplash. Click confirm. Okay, and then for this side, you can drag any panel out. Go to special board. Second button, you can go to finishing side panel. Drag out this visible panel outside. Okay, like this. And you can press X button to rotate the panel. Okay, press X to rotate. Rotate this way. Press Z to move it. Then you move the panel to the back. Okay, place it on top. And you can adjust the sizing. Okay, so you select the panel, adjust the size here. The depth, I will increase it to 750, enter, or maybe 800. Okay, make sure it's cover the wall. Increase a bit, maybe 850. Okay. Then here you can adjust the height. Okay, so this is the top. Since we rotate it, okay, this will be the top. Then here I will extend another 300. Enter. Okay, so it will cover the wall. Then you can go to this brush icon. On top here you will see got brush icon. Go to material brush. Copy this countertop color and paste on this panel. Then right click to cancel. Okay, so this will be your backsplash. Alright. Then we continue with this part. As you can see, okay, we have this extra carcass here. So you can drag any empty carcass. So I will go with wall unit, wall cabinet. And then I will drag this single door wall cabinet. Okay, and drag it side by side here. Okay, you can rotate it first. Okay, you can press Z and rotate. Then you can adjust the sizing. So this tall unit, the depth is 550. So you select this single wall unit and adjust the width. Okay. The left side 550. Okay, 550. Then you can adjust the height. So the top part, I will adjust it 1000. Okay, 1100. And then the bottom part, I will adjust 1004. Okay, you can keep on increasing it. Okay, increase the height until it reach the countertop. 1007, 1008. Okay, so around 1008 lah. Then you can select the door and delete it. Okay, since it's an open carcass, you just delete the door. Okay, so select the carcass and adjust the depth. Depth here I will make it around 150. Okay, 150 to 200 lah. Then you can divide this panel. Okay, so you can press B button, select the panel. If you right click on this panel, actually we have evenly divided function, but since this is an original panel from this carcass, you need to delete it first. Delete it and press escape. Okay, press escape, exit everything. You right click on the carcass again, go to add function part. Okay, we need to add in the panel manually. So you go to plate type, you can choose any thickness. Okay, we have 15 up to 18. Then go to basic function part and drag the panel inside. Okay, drag layer panel inside. Just drag one only and right click on the panel. Now you can see this button evenly divided. So you can divide lah. I will divide to number 2. Okay. Next, we are going to extend the countertop. Okay, based on the image, you can see this side is extended a bit, and we have this side panel. Okay, so you can select the countertop. Here on the bottom side, you will see got advanced setting. Advanced setting. Okay, so if we highlight the countertop on this part, you can select the side line first. Which side you want to extend? Okay, I want to extend the back side lah. So you select the back side line, and then you will see this arrow. Okay, you can either drag out the arrow, or you can adjust here on the back side. Okay, so this one I will make it around 620. Enter. Okay, 620. And then click generate. Now you can see it's extend a bit. Okay, then we're going to create side countertop on the left side here. Right click on the countertop, go to create side countertop. Do the same thing. Okay, select the side line first, then you will see this side table editing. So for the side, I will use 90-degree installation. Okay, you can see 90-degree. Then you can click generate. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Then for the back part, you can see it's covered with fluted panel. Fluted panel I will use from system cabinet. Okay, so I will exit the kitchen function, exit. Then you can go to system cabinet. Okay, so first button you can go to dado module. Second button you can go to wall board. Then you can scroll down. You will see this fluted panel. Okay, we have two options. The first fluted panel, make sure you use the vertical one. Okay, vertical, not horizontal. The first and the second one. Drag the second one. Okay, cloudwood through board. Okay, you can drag one panel here. You can press Z button to move it. Okay, move it to the left, and you can rotate it forward. Okay, rotate it like this. Then you can adjust the height. Select and adjust the height. Height, the top part, I will make it, I reduce 100. Enter. Okay, then down here actually we have gap for the skirting, you can see. Okay, we have gap 100 mm for skirting. You can cover the 100 gap down here. You need to adjust the height. The bottom part, you just add on another 100. Enter. Then you can continue copy it to the right side. Copy to the right, right click, copy to the right, distance 0, quantity you can increase up to your own preference. I will increase it to 8 copies. So it will copy out like this. Okay, and then for this part you can increase the height. So you select this fluted panel, increase the height. This one, I will increase the top part 2500. Follow the carcass height. Extend a bit. Another 100. So it will be 2600. Okay. Then this one I will just copy to the right. Right click, copy to the right. Increase maybe 3. Then click confirm. Okay. So this is how it looks like. Then you can exit the system cabinet. Okay, exit, and you can go back to kitchen cabinet to continue edit the carcass. Alright, so we are going to install the skirting and the cornice. You can go to this install button. You can go to toe kick installation. Okay, it will highlight the bottom surface like this. Then you can select the skirting profile and skirting color. Okay, here you can adjust the skirting height. So I will not change anything. I will just directly click confirm. So this is the skirting. Then you can see got skirting on the left side. Okay, this one you can just delete. And you can select the panel. Extend the height, the bottom part. Okay, the bottom you can extend it downward. So you just plus another 100. Okay, then for this part, since we got this skirting over here, you need to adjust the length first. Adjust the skirting length. So you go to advanced setting. Okay, select your skirting, go to advanced setting. Okay, it's like similar with the countertop this side. You need to select the sideline first and drag the arrow inward, or you can just minus the length at the back here. Since the panel thickness is 18 mm, so I will minus 18. Enter. Then you can click confirm. Okay, it will reduce the length a bit. Then you can drop down the panel. Select the panel. Height, the bottom one, you can plus 100. Okay, if you didn't adjust the skirting length, when you drop down the panel, it will overlapping. Okay, the panel will overlap with the skirting. So make sure you adjust the skirting length first. Alright, then you can continue with the cornice. Install the cornice. You can go to install, go to top molding installation. Similar with skirting, you can select the cornice profile here, and you can select the color. Alright, then you can click confirm. So this is the cornice and skirting. Next, we are going to custom the door. So based on this image, there's no handle except for the base cabinet. We have built-in handle. Okay, so you can right click on the wall, all handles, delete. Okay, delete all the handles. Okay, based on the image, you can see the oven part. We have a filler on top. Okay, the filler is actually higher. So you select the oven first and adjust the height. Okay, the top part. This one I will reduce 100. Okay, so minus 100. Then to select the filler, you need to press B button. Okay, so you press B, select the filler and adjust the sizing here. Okay, so I will extend the depth 130. Okay, we plus another 100. Then to move it down, you need to adjust inside here, Z angle. Remember, to move down, you must put negative value. So you minus 100. Then it will move downward. Okay? Then, this one, you need to change it to door panel because this is filler. Okay? This panel is actually filler. You can right click on the panel and go to transform to door panel. Okay? Right click, transform to door panel. Alright? Then you can press escape, exit everything. You can start changing the door panel. Okay, select any door panel, right click, go to door panel type. Here you can go to free handle door. All the built-in handles is under free handle door. So you can choose lah. We have L shape, G shape, F, finger groove and others. Okay, so you select any door model with built-in handles like this one. Okay, or this one. You just double click. Then you can change the color if you want. Okay, down here got material option where you can change the color. Okay, then you can copy paste this door, go to this brush icon and go to style material painter. Okay, material brush is to copy color, style painter is to copy door style only, style material painter is to copy both color and the door style. Okay, so you go to number 3, style material painter, copy the door, okay, and then paste on other door. So it will copy both the handle and the color. Alright, then you right click to exit. Then you can continue change the wall unit on top. So here I will just change the color. Copy, material brush, copy and paste on the door. Then for the lower part of the wall unit, you can change the color as well. Select and go to material. You can also choose other textures such as glass. Okay, we also have glass over here. Okay, we have bronze mirror, golden tee. You can just change that. And then you can also use the copy paste method. Material brush, copy paste to other door. And right click to cancel. Okay. Then you can also copy paste the cornice and the skirting color. So this one I will just copy the door color. Copy to the cornice and the skirting. Okay. So this is how it looks like. Then you can change the carcass color. Okay, carcass color. So you can just right click on the wall. Go to all material, carcass material. This one I will go with wooden texture. Wooden texture. Okay, so this backsplash also you need to change back to the countertop color. Okay, and then you can see got cornice on this carcass. This one you can just remove. Just click delete. Okay, material brush, and then you just copy out to the fluted panel. Okay, right click to cancel. And then for the finishing, okay, you can add in decoration lah. Okay, you see the sofa icon, you can add in decorative accessories. Okay, but this one I will not teach in this video. Okay, I will skip this part. I will go with ceiling function to drop down the ceiling. Okay, so you can go to customize, go to ceiling function. and then double click the ceiling. So you can divide the ceiling on the kitchen section. Okay, you can go to draw straight line. Okay, from here to here. So the carcass is 550. Okay, 550, enter. And then you can draw one line here to here. Okay, right click to cancel. Then it's already divided lah. So this side you can drop down 200. Okay, and then the rest, this one you can change to 0. Okay, drop, change to 0, enter. Okay, so if you click complete, this is how it looks like. Okay, only the ceiling on the kitchen part is dropped down. Alright, then you can exit. Okay, based on the image, we have this lighting. Okay, downlight and one tracking light here. So you can add in from library. Okay, you can go to cloud library, you can go to decoration, you can go to spotlight and drag out any downlight from here. Just drag one. Okay, and then you can press shift button, press shift, and then drag to the side. It will copy out the downlight. Hold your shift button and drag to the right. So it will copy out like this lah. Okay, then you just adjust the position. Okay, and then for the tracking light, you can just drag out any tracking light from here. Okay, you can see got track light. Just drag one here. And you can adjust the length. Okay, for extra lighting, maybe you can add LED light underneath the shelf. Okay, here you can go to fill light. You can drag fill light 3.0 universal light. This one. Then you can increase the length. 1008. Okay, something like this lah. Then this LED light, actually you can adjust the color, temperature and the brightness. Okay. Then I will show my skirting down here. Unit component, tick the skirting. Okay, and then you can add in refrigerator. Refrigerator is under electrical appliances. Refrigerator. Right, one inside. Then you can adjust the position lah. Okay, to resize it, you can press C button. Okay, resize. Alright, so this is the final look. I hope you guys learned something. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.